Xavier, do you want some grapefruit? Here, just drink. Don't mind the camera. I think he's gonna do it. You like it? It's grapefruit, silly!
Do you like it?
It's grapefruit, look. You okay? You look like you're gonna pass out. No? It's grapefruit. Here, you want some more? Hey, a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, now put that in your mouth. Here. A little bit. No. Here, more juice. A little bit more juice. Are you okay? You wanna try it? It's pretty strong, though.
You don't like it, huh?
Thank you for trying. You don't like grapefruit? Oh, you.
Can you wave bye-bye?
Sure like the berries.
Bye-bye.
Huh? Please.